We are going to construct a perpendicular line through a point on a line. First thing we need to do is take our compass, put it on the point that is on the line. We'll line up the brass ring with that point, put our finger on it. I'm going to use a point that's relatively close in to that point that's on the line. I'm going to use D. I'm going to write it down so I don't forget what I'm using. I'm going to put an arc on one side of that point that's on the line. I'm going to move the compass over to the other side, put my pen back in it, and put an arc on the other side. These two arcs are the same distance from the point on the line. Now I'm going to draw points here so I can see it through the brass ring. I'm going to put my brass ring on one of the points where the arc intersects my line, hold it down, and I'm going to go up a little further. I'm going to use the point, the circle P, and I'm going to write it down so I don't forget. Draw an arc above my point where I think the perpendicular line will go. Move the compass to the other arc where it intersected my line. Put my pen back in P, make another arc so that I have two intersecting arcs at the top above my line. I'm going to put a point right there. And then I'm going to use my compass as a straight edge, and I'm going to draw a straight line from where the arcs intersect to the point on the line. This is a 90-degree angle. The way I can prove that I have correctly drawn a perpendicular line through a point on a line is I can measure this with a protractor that would tell me that this is a 90-degree angle, or I could use the corner of a piece of paper. All paper has 90-degree angles on its corner. Slide it into the angle and measure it, and yes, that is a 90-degree angle.